As legendary as James Ferreira calls you and invites you to be a part of something he is doing, you'd be silly to say no. So thank you so much for that call. And secondly, the whole idea behind the institute is something I have not experienced throughout the country. It comes with a solid backing of Lakhotia, and at the same time, the whole aesthetic and the DNA of the school is so Indian. It's so rooted to who we all are and who we all should be. So the idea is absolutely, it's beautiful. It's very inspiring to be here, and it's very inspiring to be in such a board. What we plan to bring in for the jewelry and gemology department is essentially, not many of you may know, but I'm actually a trained gemologist. Design is something that just happened. It's a creative extension of my degree. So what we plan to bring in is the fluid nature of jewelry, along with a very crisp and technical know-how of gemology, and bring together a very cohesive, very comprehensive curriculum, which will be very beneficial, which will be very advantageous for anyone who's planning to venture into the industry as a career. So, and essentially, since we are all such crusaders of Indian and Indian heritage and Indian culture, a very prominent part of that curriculum is going to be India, Indian jewelry, Indian aesthetics, Indian stones, use of Indian karigari, Indian technicals, but in a very modern environment, using modern tools. So a very beautiful juxtaposition and marrying of two very strong cultures, the East and the very modern West. And I'm very excited to be in this board. Being a part of a school was something that I've wanted all my life, and I really look forward to working with this really fabulous team. And I'm sure it's going to be a really exciting journey for everyone who's a part of it.